Today's video is very beginner slash mid-level social media manager friendly. And the reason why is because when you are a beginner or mid-level, maybe not all the way mid-level, but especially beginner, you may not have everything that you need for your portfolio and you really want to build this thing out, but you want some experience. You need the experience. So today I'm going to be giving you some high-paying, quick streams of income. Now, if you're ready, let's jump right on into it, shall we? All right, let's break this down a little bit. When I say high paying, I'm saying that you can charge at least $800 or more a month for these services that I'm about to give you. And I'm giving you 3, all right? When I say quick, that means that you can finish these in 1 to 2 days out of the month and you're done for the whole month. You don't have to do it again until the next month for that client, all right? So notice though, I don't use the word hustle because I'm trying to break it up. I don't like when people are saying social media management is a quick side hustle. I'm trying to break that up. I don't want y'all two together. I'm hating. I don't want y'all to be in any type of relationship. When you hear social media management, you shouldn't be thinking side hustle. We breaking it up. All right. But these are some quick things that you can do. These are also good if you have a 9-to-5. You have kids at home, your significant other, your partner. You spend a lot of time with them and you don't have time to dedicate to your business, but you still want to make money. Yeah, I'm talking to you who ain't taking it serious. But I got a solution for you. All right, so let's jump right into the first one. The first thing that you can offer, and probably my favorite because I think it's so juicy, is a content creation package. So inside of this, you're going to offer your client a package of 20, a package of 10, whatever it is. But just note that the higher amount, like if you offer a package of 20, you can charge more money. But what you're going to do, you are going to create content for this client. So what that looks like is creating graphics. And I'm not suggesting that you need to use like Photoshop or anything like that, but you can use Canva. If you're using Canva, please don't create graphics like these, because baby, if that's the case, I can do it myself. I don't even need you. I can create my own graphics. They're going to look like this. So I don't need them to be, super plain. I need something that's going to be branded and it looks like it belongs to my account. So this stuff, I don't need it. And as an added bonus, and again, to add more value to your packages, you can also offer scheduling in here. So what makes this package juicy? What makes this package, are you tired of me saying juicy? I'm a little tired of me saying juicy. But what makes this package so good is that it takes the burden off of people. It takes away that pain point of having to figure out what to post, how many times I'm supposed to post it. You're doing it all for them. They just need to show up in other ways. Now, we all know that videos is the wave, okay? Now, Instagram, as of today, is like, hey, we're going to bring back photos. I don't know if I believe you. I just don't know if I believe you. So, with that said, you can offer video editing because video is the way, right? It's one of the quickest ways to build connections with people. So, of course, that's something that you can offer inside of your agency. So, when I say video editing, I'm talking about TikTok, I'm talking about Reels, and I'm talking about YouTube. Do not forget about YouTube. You need to make sure that you know how to use editing software like CapCut. If you want to get real fancy with it, you can use Final Cut Pro, which is what I use to edit. But to make it easy on yourself, again, something like CapCut will be a lot easier. If you decide that you want to do something like this, though, you are going to have to determine a few things in your agency. For example, how many minutes of footage are you willing to edit? So if somebody is like, hey, yes, I want to take advantage of your TikTok video editing package, and you're like, okay, great. And then they send you a video that is like 45 minutes long, and they want you to cut that up into 15 TikToks. Now I'm stressed out. Now I'm rethinking, why did I even say I wanted to do this? So all I'm saying is you need to determine all your fine print. And as an added bonus, another thing that you can do is create a plan or a strategy for them each month, telling them what to create. Again, that's kind of like just an add-on to add more value, make things easier, and give you ultimately more coins. The third quick stream of income for you can be a content calendar for your clients. And this is simply where you're going to be telling them what to post on what day each month. You can give them ideas where it's like, all right, on the 23rd, I want you to post, use this sound and add a link to the sound and give them an idea. Why don't you talk to people about XYZ? So this is going to require for you to learn about this client's business a whole lot, because you're sitting there and you're kind of putting on your strategist hat, right? And you're thinking of ideas to really help them. Now, let me just add this in here. There's going to be a certain type of client that this is good for. This is good for somebody who has the time to do it. So unlike our first two packages, this is going to require people to do all of the legwork. You're just telling them what to do. And there's people out there who will do it. And there's people out there who won't do it. And those who won't do it, they need your other packages. Now, I'm going to give you a bonus. What do I always say? Email marketing is not your job as a social media manager. However, it is something that you can offer inside of your agency. It is something that brings in more money each month. But please know that email writing is a separate skill other than social media management. There's ways to write subject lines and all that kind of stuff. So if you decide to do this, I want you to learn how to effectively write emails. But yes, email writing is something that you can offer people inside of your agency. With this, I've seen people write one email for $200. So if you're writing 4 emails a month, which is one every single week, that's $800 for you right there. None of these packages should take you more than 1 to 2 days to complete. Now, when you're starting out, yes, it could take you a little bit longer, but once you get the hang of it and you get that thing jumping, 1 to 2 days. So now I get to kick back with my friends. I get to sit and binge watch my favorite show. I get to go on vacation, whatever it is, spend time with your kids, with your husband, your wife, whoever, your partner. You'll free up your time. Again, this is also a really great way to build up your portfolio. So, as always, I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure that you hit the like button, share it with somebody, leave a comment, all that cool stuff, because it's free. You ain't got to pay for it. All right? And until next time.